Tone, Prevzem. Prevzem, ne? Evo, Tone pa Renata Kosec. Bom pa Prihaja oblasti. Aj težko, ne? Hvala.
Dragi moj bodoči župan, po dolgem času sva prišla dva, ker vem, da je težko. Težko je vladati, težko je zapraviti tiste 2 evra, ki ti bodo ostala. Težko je, res je težko. In jaz upam, res upam, da boste naslednjo leto tudi vi imeli podžupanjo pustne sekcije, ker bi bilo zelo lepo, da se ne hvalimo samo po Domžalah, ampak da bi se hvala tudi pustna sekcija. Pipi, samo vala žena. Vzemi eno, jaz imam idejo, ampak bo drugič. V glavnem, danes vam prinašava ključ od naše mestne blagajne, žalostna, zato ker letos je mestna blagajna polna. Sam ne za vas. Mestna blagajna je polna za najin dopust in rok plačila je 30 dni, tako da vaših 14 dni že meni. Ampak vseeno, smo tukaj, smo naši, smo veseli, da se dogaja, smo veseli, da je pustovanje na Viru še naprej tako, kot mora biti in da bomo vse to speljali od za mlade soboto, za ta stare v nedelo, pa soboto zvečer, pa nedelo zvečer, pa v torek bomo pokopali tega parabona, a ne? Tako da naj tako tudi ostane. Naša občina je z vami, smo pa veseli, 14 dni greva mi na Maldive, ne sicer skupaj, no, lahko bi šla skupaj sam, ker so ravno najni uni, bomo zamolčali, ona gre na Tenerife, jaz pa na Maldive, tako da bomo že kako. Skratka, predajam ti ta ključ, 14 dni imaš časa, da zapravaš vse. Ampak pazi, v torek na pogrebu boš poročal. Nadzorni odbor, računsko sodišče, korupcijska komisija in vsi ostali, ki nas redno servisirajo, bojo tudi tebe pogledali. Naj živi pustna sekcija Striček!
Lahko rečem, da izpejemo tam županom, čeprav so tukaj nasprotno, imamo sam 2 stvari skupne. Vilažo, pa ženske imamo rada ob sebe, ne? Tako da občino vod, tudi ženska in prenos, tudi ženske vodijo pustno sekcijo in tako da stvar laufa. To ne ajetko, tako da roka, evo tega. Hvala lepa. Evo, hvala, evo, oblast je naša, pustno!
Evo, ali imamo še protokol, imamo še Trumpa, no Trump je še protokol. Trump je umrl.
Babe.
Evo ga.
Babe, sem.
Koga, da dostigna razbora.
Ali niš jam, je to pospred. Je to
da bo to kadri.
Zdaj je rekole, ki bo slika zgleda.
Naj živi pustna sekcija Striček!
Trump gre, zdaj umakam, da se.
Šeno, dajmo vse pogled.
Malo placa.
Ej, pa se ste Trump se tako Prihaja. Ej, Trump se pogled. Kape dolžke, škirna jih na, pa
idemo ven nazaj, no.
First of all, thank you. Thank you, people of Slovenia, dear fellow citizens, dear people of community of Domžale, and dear people of Vir. Thanks a lot. Many of you may ask yourself, why did I come from the Oval Office of Washington right to your village, to your hometown, to my hometown of my wife, Melania? What a great family. I really, you will love her as a first lady. I'm sure you will. She's a great woman. Really, you will love her. She's number one. I mean, perfect. Really, I promise you. She's number one. What I wish to say to you is, to answer to your question, why did I come from Washington to Domžale? Is it correct, Melania? Domžale? All right, yeah. Okay, I've learned it. I've learned it. I know few words of Slovene. That's first of all is Jebela cesta. How do you love this? It's Jebela cesta. I've learned it good. All right. Okay, let's move forward. So, my business here from Washington to the community of Vir is the call of Mr. Pipi. Who's Mr. Pipi? Peter Kositz. I would like to meet this guy. He called me personally. Oh yeah, that's this guy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He called me. Let me explain to you why I came to your country, to the country of my homeland of my spouse, my wife, my beautiful wife. You're gonna love her. Oh yeah, she's great. Is that the treasury of the masquerade section of Vir seems to be empty. No money in it.
Yeah.
The symbol of money. Oh yeah. Give me a big applause. Oh yeah. Thank you. So let me continue. Some of you, maybe the media, not the phony media like CNN and Fox News, which are the left-wingers, may ask yourself, why did I come from the Oval Office of the Washington to your home village of Vir? I came to you for one simple reason. From this day forward, it's gonna be Vir number one. All right? It's Vir number one. Vir first. All right? Thank you. All right. Let's continue. I made a plan. I even made a financial plan. So you will believe me. All right? I've been in the business for like more than 30 years in my life. All right? So you gotta listen to me. I have some great ideas. First of all, for today, I believe is in mid-February of 2017. I even ordered a snow for today. But since you haven't told me, you ain't got any mountains or any hills I might as well hadn't ordered it, but I didn't know that. That's why I ordered snow for today. All right, that's passed. But I have another plan, plan B. All right? I'm gonna make a wall around Veer. Is that all right? Yeah! Listen, I'm gonna make a wall around Veer just to keep immigrants out of your community. Is that all right? All right. Thank you. Just like I'm gonna make a wall on the Mexican border. And the second thing, since you have only one street, and the Weir, immediately you will have a wall and only one street, then you have Wall Street. Is that all right? All right. That's my financial plan for you people, community of Domžale. Is that all right? Do you love me? All right. Thank you. That was my plan. That was a plan for you people of Slovenia from Washington, United States of America. Thank you.
Spoštovani, glede na to, da ste po večini verjetno razumeli, kaj gospod predsednik veljal povedati, vam sporočam še jaz na kratko, da je po 22 neodgovorjenih klicih gospoda Dragarja se oglasil na 23. klic gospoda predsednika pustne sekcije Strička, gospoda Pipija, in se je z veseljem udeležil današnje svečanosti in s tem zagotavlja, da glede na to, da so v glavnem v najbogatejši občini Domžale odšle žal v Cugrund 3 močne firme, Univerzale, Toko in Napredek.
Progress, yes.
S tem želi popraviti in spodbuditi vso to delegacijo še naprej, da delajo kot so do zdaj. Glede na to, da izkupiček denarja, ki ga je ogromno, potrjuje, da bo podpiral glede pustne sekcije Striček gospod predsednik z vso silo in močjo. Denar gre pustni sekciji Striček, ki je na prvem mestu v najbogatejši občini Domžale. Vir je na prvem mestu, na drugem sem jaz in potem vsi ostali. Hvala lepa.
Just to prevent serious from the south up to north. And that's a recent thought of Merkel in providing security for the whole European Union. Oh, that's shit. I gotta cooperate. I gotta take over the whole business. I'm gonna bring over here. I'm gonna bring from tower in here. That's the first step of my business proposal.
Lepo vsi lepo vabljeni, tako naprej nasprot kofra, barve laki pirc, da kaj popijemo, pa nekaj pomalcamo. Tako da pot po dolgi ali po avto.